In today's video, I'm making a simple chicken, potato and carrot dish. For that, we need some chicken thighs, potatoes, carrots, spring onions, cooking oil, grated onions, thyme, dried thyme leaves. These are bouillon cubes, chili pepper, chicken powder. These are garlic powder. This is black pepper. First off, we'll be marinating our chicken, and for that, we'll mix all our spices together in a bowl. With this, we'll be marinating our chicken. After mixing it together, I'll set it aside. For our chicken to be well marinated, I'm making some incisions on the chicken thigh so that the ingredients will penetrate into the chicken, just like this. I'm going to use some of the mixed spice to massage on the chicken so that everything will penetrate into the chicken and the chicken will be well marinated. So after massaging the spice into our chicken, we'll cover it with a cling film. So after massaging the spice in the chicken, we'll cover it with a cling film, allow it to rest for 12 hours. The chicken thighs has marinated for 12 hours. I'm taking off the cling film. See how well marinated the chicken looks. Next, we have our carrots and potatoes here. And this is the leftover spice from the spice I used in marinating the chicken. Next, I'll peel the potatoes and carrots and chop them into bite-sized pieces. So I'm arranging the chicken thighs now in our baking tray. Next, I'll be arranging the carrots and potatoes alongside with the chicken thighs on the tray. After which, I'll sprinkle some spice on the carrot and the potatoes. With the use of my brush, I'll spread some cooking oil on the chicken thighs for more shine. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so by hitting the subscribe button, share, like, and also leave a comment in the comment section. We are going to be roasting our chicken in a preheated oven for 40 minutes. So after roasting for the first 20 minutes, I brought it out of the oven to flip the other side so that both sides will come out well cooked. After which I took it back to the oven again for another 20 minutes, but this time it was on a low heat. This is 40 minutes after, and our chicken is well cooked and looking so delicious.